Is that more clear? Yeah. So then, yeah, one example is the liver, blood, or the liver qi affecting the spleen. That still is really, it actually happens in the channels. So then one of the examples I give is, there's this famous concept in modern Chinese medicine which goes way, way back also, called yang sheng, life nourishing. If you've heard of yang sheng, it's the idea of, secrets of long life in Chinese culture. How do you know? How do you eat? What time do you wake up? What kind of exercises do you do? What is your mental state? All of these, like the Su Wen, the first part of the Neijing, the Su Wen has a lot of this stuff about lifestyle in it. And if you think about the effects of eating properly, or exercise, or doing Tai Chi, or Qigong where you soften, these things you do where you do certain strange exercises, they open up all the small spaces of the channels. And the food you eat affects the fluid system in your body, which affects the ability of the channels to connect the organs. So a lot of the kind of techniques of life nourishing, of being healthy in Chinese culture are affecting the channel system, really. They're affecting the ability of all the fascia to be open and moving through if you're doing Qigong or Tai Chi, or they're affecting the quality of fluids with diet, exercise, and emotions as well. So Dr. Wang's idea was that without the channels, the organs are not connected. On the other hand, without the organs, the channels do not have substances within them, so they're interdependent. They're a yin and yang. The organs are yin, the channels are yang. You could say it that way also. So that's why then he kept these phrases. When he was teaching, he had these phrases behind him, and he would usually spend maybe an hour explaining these two sentences and how he thinks about the channels and organs. And that, in his opinion, a lot of modern Chinese medical education puts a lot of emphasis on the organs, but less emphasis on what the channels are. So his whole life was about trying to figure out what the channels are and trying to use those ideas to get better clinical results. So that's the main thing I want to say with this. We can talk about it a lot more, but